In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch seller to buyer and buyer to seller on Fiverr. By the end, you'll know exactly how to toggle between the two modes so you can hire freelancers when you need help, and then jump back to manage your gigs and orders without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr. This is a quick way to reach the official site, especially if you don't have it bookmarked. When the search results appear, click on the official Fiverr website. You'll recognize it by the familiar branding and domain. This route keeps things simple and works the same across most browsers. Once you're on Fiverr, make sure you're signed in so you can access your account controls. Look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This icon may display your photo or initials, and it opens a drop-down menu with your account options. This is the central place where Fiverr lets you switch between the two sides of the platform. From that menu, choose Switch to Buying. The site will update your view to the buyer experience. In buying mode, the interface focuses on browsing the marketplace, comparing gigs, and placing orders. Your inbox, saved gigs, and recent searches are easy to reach, and you'll be able to request services, message sellers, and check your active or completed orders. This switch doesn't change your account or your profile. It simply adjusts the tools and navigation you see so they're tuned for purchasing. Now, if you want to move back to the seller side, look at the top right area again. You'll notice a clear option to switch to selling. Click that, and Fiverr will shift your view back to your seller dashboard. Here you'll see your gigs, analytics, orders, earnings, and tools for managing offers, delivery timelines, and client communication. The transition is instant, and nothing gets lost when you move between modes. Your messages, funds, and settings all stay tied to the same account. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Consider bookmarking the main Fiverr page in your preferred mode so you can jump in faster next time. Remember that this toggle is simply a view change. You're not creating separate accounts or profiles. If the option isn't visible right away, refreshing the page can help, and your profile icon is always the starting point. That's it. You can go from seller to buyer and buyer to seller in just a couple of clicks.